This is a music video. Anyway, chocolate.
Say. Oh, look at the baby. Oh.
It looks funky. Tell them our topic.
I don't know what to talk about.
Topic!
Oh, our topic is horses. Horses! Horses! Oh, look at the baby horsey. It looks like a miniature Cosmo.
They're so... Look.
Wait.
Small.
Adorable.
Just bonus, man.
I know, I don't care. It's no one. Hey. No, adorable. Oh.
I like that one right there.
Oh.
Chapter 7 on Pole. Oh, it's so cute.
It's so cute.
There's a glare on the back.
Don't throw it around.
Remember when I dropped it the other day?
I know that it is.
Really?
Talk with us and I don't know what to say.
You think of our topic?
I'm going to, yeah, so,
What's this?
yeah, what is it? It's a silly band, but,
Oh wait,
maybe it's a trombone.
you know what? I really don't know what that is.
It's a musical instrument. It's a silly band.
Moogerhead.
Really?
If you know what this is, comment below. Yeah,
Yeah,
below.
comment below what you think that is.
Kind of. Hold on. Ow. What's that?
Looks like an alligator, slash a boat, slash a trombone thing, slash a pencil, slash one of those shot things they shot in your arm. Give you,
A shot?
give you drugs? Yeah.
Your viewers are very bored. Bored right now.
I'm sorry if you're bored.
What's this thing? Oh my god! It's killer chicken thing!
It's, I don't know. I couldn't get it.
Stop tweeting, you insane bird!
There's horrible one.
Apparently Elizabeth is also bored.
I am bored.
I'm going through her stuff.
Just a mirror pillow. My wall. Okay, ow. My wall. Lexi, stop pushing me! Why do you keep doing that? Gosh, so annoying. Oh yeah, my ceiling. My doll. My Justin Bieber doll.
I hate that.
Those are all my bags and stuff.
Stupid advertisements. I don't like them.
Yeah.
Well, that would have scared me.
Alright.
Why do you have goggles by your computer? Look, its tail wags. It could be used to wash the camera lens. Or, you know. Hey, it actually worked. Oh my god! I thought that was you! I scared you! You want me to lift him up into the ceiling fan again?
No, I do not.
That was a scary experience.
Wait, we have to get married! We have to get married!
Ow.
Say I do, Justin.
I don't.
My husband. I haven't got married yet. I do. I do too.
You may kiss the cardboard. Elizabeth. Because you came over here.
We make a good couple.
No, you don't, Elizabeth. Okay.
Bye. Alright, can he kiss the bride now?
Yeah.
Bye.